friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus iQOO 7 device. Let's see friends which phone can actually open the Asphalt 9 game faster. That's what this video is about. The main reason why I'm uploading this video is because I did get a couple of requests on the Asphalt 9 game. As you can see friends, in terms of the opening speeds. So that's what I'm going to try in this video between this Dimensity 1200 and the Snapdragon 870 UFS storage 3.1. So both phones are having same kind of UFS storage. So first let me show you exactly what is a Wi-Fi connection both phones are connected to right now. As you can see friends, 2.4 GHz and 2.4 GHz both are connected to same kind of 2.4 GHz network, and all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. And now let's see which phone can actually open this Asphalt 9 game faster. So let's start the game and let me enable the ultra game mode. Yep. And this test I'll try to do in the two different methods. So first without using any high performance mode, second with using high performance mode. In the iQOO 7 device there is no monster mode enabled yet, because in the FunTouch UI 12 we'll be getting the monster mode I guess. So right now there is no monster mode. So let's start with Asphalt 9 game. So right now both phones are loading pretty good, and you can see the game boosters got enabled right between these two devices. And now we'll be able to see exactly what's going on. And so it takes a lot of time friends for the Asphalt 9 game to open. First one to open is the Realme X1 Max and then iQOO 7 device. Little bit, just only 1 second difference is there between these both phones in terms of the opening speeds of Asphalt 9 game. Not bad, that's pretty fast. So let's do the second round. Let's clear this in the background and let's start the test again. Let's see in the second round which phone will clear. So right now as you can see friends, so in 17 seconds I guess the Realme X1 Max did open fast. 17, it's very close, very close. I mean Realme X1 Max did open a little bit faster in the iQOO 7 device. If you watch in the slow motion you will be able to understand exactly. But let's take to the next level by enabling the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max. Can this beat the iQOO 7 with 2 seconds or 3 seconds difference? Can high performance mode actually help the Realme X1 Max or not? So we can think in 2 points. So let's see. And here's the Asphalt 9 game. So using the high performance mode, right? So now we'll be able to get the answers. Before it was 17 seconds. So technically by using high performance mode it should open within 15 seconds or 16 seconds. Yes, it did help the Realme X1 Max a little bit by 1 second opening faster than before with using and without using high performance mode. Apart from that I did not notice any kind of much change in the Realme X1 Max device. Let's start the test again. This is the second time which we are doing, and by this I'll try to end up this video. Now we'll be able to get to know exactly what's going on as well. 15 seconds, 16, and this time the iQOO 7 was able to open faster. So out of all these multiple testings which we do, 4 times out of 4, 3 times were opened faster in the Realme X1 Max device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the Asphalt 9 game opening speeds. So meanwhile signing off until stay tuned for more updates. Bye.